In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the specified network name is no longer available error in Windows 11. First, type in Control Panel, go to Programs and Features, and turn on Windows Features on or off. And down here, you're going to find SB 1.0 file sharing. Expand it and make sure you select this one. So you will need to tick all of these, and then you're gonna press OK. So after you press OK, it might prompt you to restart your computer, so restart it. Now let's say this method doesn't work. Next thing you can try is go to Windows Update. Now often when there's an update, this could fix your issues, so make sure you are on the latest update. Now let's say even if this one doesn't fix your issue. So next thing, go here, type in Services. So here you need to find computer browser, so you should be able to find it. Computer, let's see. So here's computer browser. You would basically right click on it and here go to properties. So make sure this is set to automatic and then click start and then apply and OK. And after that, after you start it, basically you want to restart it. So you would if you see click on it, you'd see an option for restart. So restart it, and then you want to do the same here down for the Windows update. So here's the Windows update. You would right click on it, properties, and make sure it's set to automatic, and then you would start. If it's already started, then you can just restart it. So if it's not, just click start, apply, and OK. And now you need to find server. So here's server. You would right click on it and then go to properties, make sure this is set to automatic, and you click start, apply, and OK. If it's already started, you can just click restart. So now you would do the same to workstation. You would find it, right click, properties, make it automatic, start, apply, OK, and then click restart. So after this, restart your computer and hopefully this fixes your issue.